Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime LCD and touchscreen repair guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, playing cards, power down the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Eject the SIM card tray and SIM card and micro SD card tray from the side of the Samsung phone. The 5.5-inch Galaxy J7 Prime display assembly is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. With the playing card, slice through the sticky adhesive and carefully decouple the Galaxy J7 Prime screen from the phone. The display assembly is still connected to the Samsung phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the bracket that covers the display cable. Detach the cable from the motherboard and free the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime display assembly. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.